Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to start saving with Natwest? Here's how to open a savings account online in under a minute. First of all, go to natwest.com, hover over savings accounts and click view all savings accounts. Browse the account types like instant saver, digital regular saver, or fixed terms, and choose one that fits your goals. Click to apply now. If you are a NatWest customer, just log in. If not, you will need to create an account, then fill in your personal details, name, address, income information, and confirm your ID. Submit the form, and once approved, your new savings account will show up in your NatWest online banking or app. Done. Start saving today. Follow for more quick money tips. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.